Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix disabled accounts cannot be contacted issue on Instagram. So guys, if you are trying to send messages to somebody on Instagram but this pop-up appears and says disabled accounts cannot be contacted, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you contact this person on Instagram. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply open your Instagram, and then you have to simply sign out your Instagram from your device for one time. So guys, simply go to your profile and sign out your Instagram for one time, and after this you have to simply update your Instagram to the latest version. So guys, simply update your Instagram to the latest version from your App Store or Play Store, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open Instagram, go to messages, and from here you have to simply clear chat history of that person. So guys, you can see this, simply go to this and clear chat history of this person, and again try to send messages to this account. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to their profile and then go to three dots options. Here you can see this, and from here you have to simply restrict this account for one time, and after this unrestrict this account again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply block this person for 10 minutes, and after this unblock this person again on Instagram. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Instagram support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.